Alright, so hello, my name is Jared Hunter. This is my manipulative video for Mat 205, and this is a manipulative that I come up with just for a low budget, quick thinking on your feet kind of manipulative for going over fractions with very young children. Now, what this manipulative does is it does bring the child up to the board, which gets your child involvement. And as you can see, this is just a very simple thing. I have 9 blue post-it notes and 9 orange post-it notes. And what we're going to do is if I were to, again, this is just for introductory into fractions, if I ask a student to come up to put 2/3 on the board, then they just come over here, grab 2 post-it notes for the numerator and 3 for the denominator. There we go. And now that student would simply turn around and say, okay, well, here's 2/3. Now, if we want to do another example at, say, 3/2, well, the next student would simply just come up here, add 1, and if I hadn't already removed 1 from the bottom. And thus we have 3/2. Now, the purpose of having just 9 for both the numerator and the denominator is because you can also use this manipulative to act as kind of a guide to simplifying fractions. So, if you were to ask the students, say, okay, put the fraction in simplest form on the board for 20 over 10. Okay, in that case, obviously we don't have 20 blue sticky notes and 10 orange sticky notes, so the student would just come up here and say, okay, 20 over 10 in simplest form is just 2 over 1. And so after doing that, the student would simply say, okay, 20 over 10 in simplest form is 2 over 1. Now, after accomplishing that, this again can be done with a multitude of fractions. However, this method does limit you to only being able to simplify down to 9 and below on both the numerator and the denominator. So if you ask them to put 13 over 7 on the board, that of course cannot be done with this small method. Now, of course, you can add more post-it notes if you do want to. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.